In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Instagram comments not showing error. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So, let us begin. So the error that we are talking about is when you try to open up your Instagram post or someone else's post and you try to read their comments are just loading and they are not, you won't be able to see them. So let us just see a random comment right here, and as you can see, it gets stuck in the previous loading option and the comments does not show. So to fix that, what we'll do is go to our settings, and after we are on our settings, we'll scroll down till we find the general option. Tap on general, and under there you will see the iPhone storage option. Tap on iPhone storage. Now let it load, and after it loads, just open up Instagram right there. Now what we'll do from here is we'll just offload the app, and after offloading the app, it's basically like deleting the app but keeping all its data in. So after you offload the app and then you reinstall it, your reinstalled app will have bug fixes with them, so your Instagram bugs will get fixed and you'll be able to use your Instagram. And again, go back to the comment section from any of the comments, any of the posts, and after you go there, you'll be able to view the comments. So yeah, that is basically it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like the video.